Hello everyone, today we will introduce the tin removal wire. The tin removal wire is refined from pure copper and special chemical formula, which is resistant to oxidation and corrosion and can conduct heat quickly. It is suitable for rapidly removing the tin and reduces the risk of thermal damage to the circuit board. Next, our technicians will show you how to use the tin removal wire. The technician has now taken out a piece of tin removal wire and used an electric soldering iron to drive the tin removal wire to absorb tin. After the tin on the pad is sucked off, we can wash it with the McCain lead-free environmentally cleaning agent. Okay, our technicians have demonstrated how to use it. Thank you for your trust and support.